It only takes a few minutes to prepare them, and they are delicious. We'll make oven-baked prawns, which we will start by cleaning. The first step is to remove the shell, keep the body and the tail. Remove the intestine by making an incision along the back. Next, we will put the prawns in a baking dish. All that is left is to dress them with a super-duper easy citronette, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Chopped fresh parsley, and slowly pour in the olive oil while mixing. This way, we will create a beautiful emulsion. Pour it over the prawns. Now, here is a little trick for keeping our beautiful prawns soft, and for keeping all the moisture inside the pan. We will cover them with baking paper. Like this. Super simple. Cook them in a static oven at 200 degrees for 12 minutes, and they will be ready. Guys, what an aroma. Our prawns are ready. Now let's taste them. They are really soft. And so good, really good, yummy. I will eat them with my hands. Ciao, try them. Ciao.